Okay, here's the snow's aftermath. Piles. Reminds me of 1969, 1979. It's pretty buried. Some people dug out. Some people not yet. There is no driving in and out of the alleys. If you have a car and you're in a garage, good luck. Streets are getting plowed, which is putting cars even more buried. You can see this big old plow hump. Cars are able to get down the street, but you got to do some digging to get out. Ooh. Well, I'm going to have to dig if I want to get out. Oops. Got to get out of the road. My car is not too bad. Have to dig out here though. I'll never get out of that. This guy's dug out but still can't get out of there. Here I am. And that's what I gotta dig out if I want to go anywhere, and I'm not. This is the guy that tried to get out earlier this morning. He just pulled back in and said, forget it. These guys look like they can get out. I tried. She is buried. They live below me. A wall, they have to get out of there. This guy's got some digging to do too. The huge strips here from the snow plow. This guy can get out. This van made his old parking on the curb. Irving Park Road, looks like the main arteries are back up and running. But the snowstorm is over. That restaurant looks buried. Almost now. Look, big old drifts over there. That was the direction the wind was coming from last night. There's my apartment. What a day. What a night. What a blizzard. This is Weatherman Bob signing off.